Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of information technology or IT. Ever wondered what IT really means and how it shapes our digital world? Stick around as we unravel the core concepts in a brief overview. Information technology or IT is the backbone of our digital age. It's all about using and managing technology to process, store, transmit, and retrieve information. At its core, IT involves hardware, the physical devices like computers and servers, software, the programs and applications, networks, the connections that link them together, and of course, the people, the brilliant minds working collaboratively to solve problems and facilitate communication. Let's talk hardware. From your laptop to massive data centers, these tangible devices form the foundation of IT. They process and store the information we interact with daily. Now, onto software. These are the programs that make your devices useful. Operating systems, applications, and everything in between. They're the virtual brains behind the scenes. Networks are the veins of IT. Imagine the internet connecting people and devices globally. Networks enable communication and data transfer, making the world more interconnected than ever. And of course, there's thus the people in IT. Engineers, developers, analysts. We work together to innovate, troubleshoot, and ensure the seamless operation of IT systems. Now, let's see IT in action. From sending emails to streaming videos, from online shopping to navigating social media, IT is woven into the fabric of our daily lives. So, there you have it, a brief overview of information technology. It's the foundation that enables the modern digital world, supporting various industries and enhancing our daily activities. If you found this video informative, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech insights, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. Thanks for joining us on this journey through IT basics.